Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you exactly in step by step how you can make your text fit into a cell in your Google Sheets spreadsheets really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So just for the sake of this tutorial, guys, as you can see, I created a document like that here, and this cell here in particular, 10B, features text that doesn't fit into the cell, as you can see. So if I double click on it, you will see that the text length significantly exceeds the cell size. So how can you make that text fit into the cell? Well, there are basically two different approaches. The most obvious one would be to simply resize your cell by moving, for example, the column here to the right. And that is the first and most obvious option. However, guys, if you don't want to do this, but simply keep your cell size, let me undo this really quickly. You may apply the following trick. Select your cell again, and what you want to do after that here at the top is click on text wrapping, or to be more precise here on that arrow down icon next to it, and select the wrapping feature or text wrapping feature. Select it, and that is going to make your text fit perfectly into the cell, as you can see. And that's basically it. That's the second trick you may apply here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.